Hey folks, my name is Joey. I'm a crafter, 3D printer, and a collector of model trains, and I'm going to show you how I build a variety of different things. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to model and 3D print the rest of the parts that I need. But in the previous video I said that I was going to make this my last video on this project. Ends up that I'm not going to be able to for a couple of reasons. One, I still have a little bit more work to do on the project. And two, I acquired the stuff that I need to convert the AC from the track to the DC for the LEDs. And the problem is with that, I don't really understand what I'm doing. I've been messaging people on the O-Gauge Model Railroad forum to figure out what I need to do, and I just want to make sure it's done properly and I don't damage anything in the process. Stay tuned for that. So now what I'm going to do is take this base board. This is what came with the original kit for the floor to use on the car, and I decided to make a, as you saw before, a three-dimensional representation of the undercarriage like my other K-line cars have, which you saw. Now I just got to directly center this onto the board, something around like this. And the beauty of this is that this piece, it was unintentionally done like this, but this piece totally is 14 1/8 inches long. And then this so happened to be 7 1/16, which is exactly half of that piece of wood. So now I need to center that. To do that, all I needed to do was then take 14 1/8 and divide that by 4. So it's evenly centered. Hold on, there's a piece of hair that got on there that I don't want. Got that off now. And then when I put that in my calculator, I got 3.53125. So that's all I gotta do, which is equivalent to 3 and 17/30 seconds. So I'm gonna have to kind of guesstimate here, just because my ruler does not go to 30 seconds after 1 inch. So it's gonna roughly be halfway between 1/2 and 9/16. Well, 3.5 and 9/16. I'm just gonna guesstimate where a half is. And I'm gonna draw a line here, and then I'm gonna confirm that on the other side and see if my lines match up. Fingers crossed they do. No, they do not. By a long shot. I'm back, folks. It just turns out that I'm stupid and I can't read a ruler properly. I figured out my issue. My numbers were correct. It's just that I just don't know how to read a ruler. So now if you could see where my fingers are, these are really where it's supposed to go. I had it way off. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I have double-sided tape here. Just gonna lay it down right along the edge here and just smooth it on. I'm not even gonna measure it, I'm just gonna take it up to my line and then just cut it.
I'd rather have a little 2 less than a little over because I want a little overboard. And I clearly did not lay it on straight. Or either that or this piece of tape is not straight, but I don't believe that. I believe my cutting is not, my lining is not straight, so I'll have to just turn that off at the end of the line. So, hold on. So I'm going to do that to span the entire board here. Let me actually trim this first because, again, the other piece I had wasn't on straight either. Easily peel that back. I thought I had to because, again, the other one wasn't straight either. And I'm going to put one more piece on. As straight as possible. Now I'm going to peel. Whoops. Not peeling the protective film, I'm peeling the whole thing up. This stuff works great once you get it off. The protective film.
Now I'm just going to square it up here and make sure it's in my lines. And press it really hard down and let it set a second. And there we go. My undercarriage is made. That's why I didn't do all that pipework like I mentioned before, because you're really not going to see it. As long as I get the main detailing, that was all that matters. Here's the business end. I think it came out perfect. So they're good. Now my next step is to spray paint this whole thing matte black. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.